Today I'm going to show you how to install a Glacier Bay faucet, part number 209442. Hey Coco, you want to help me out? What'd you do? You stole a pancake from the girls? You know, you're not supposed to be bringing pancakes in bed, unless that's for me. Is that for me? Alright, so you basically have the faucet, you have your gasket, you have a sprayer hose that looks like it has a quick connect. You gotta take this little orange thing off. You gotta make sure you put this gasket on. The flat part goes down like that. You're gonna make sure that you put silicone along the sink so it bonds right here. You can put plumber stop leak on here or Teflon tape. This is gonna go through the hole in your sink. And then you're gonna feed this part, the white part, through. And you're gonna screw your sprayer in here. And then this part, the white part, is going to come onto the end here. Then you're going to put these two parts on to clamp it in place. Like that. Make sure you turn off your water supply. You have two. One for the hot right here, and another for the cold. So make sure you turn them both off. And remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Then relieve the pressure. You want to clean all around your sink. It may sound counterintuitive, but if you clean all around the sink, you have to realize water's going to be dripping down, and you don't want dirty water dripping on you. Clean underneath and make sure you have no cats like trying to get in the window. Like I said, you clean underneath, make sure it's dry underneath, because you're going to be living in there pretty soon. Okay, so what you're going to do is unscrew everything, basically. Right there. It's supposed to just be hand tight, but if it's not, you just have to use a wrench and get it loose. Start with the water supply line, the other water supply line. Then you got a quick connect, you got to squeeze and pull. So there's an old quick connect right there. You gotta push in on these tabs right there and pull, and then loosen right here and over here. Really clean that real good in here. Make sure there's no caulking. Make sure you unscrew this. Just push that on until it clicks. Look it up there? Alright. Okay, so we just tightened both water lines and just made sure everything's tight and secure. Also made sure there's thread sealant on everything. Alright, it's time to try it out. Alright, so it's all done.